surface, we talk about how to make the surfaces by using the actual surface, evolved surface, swept, loft, boundary surface, fill surface, okay, and planar surface, right? Offset surface also I talk about it, okay. Surface
Yes.
flatten, and then this one is fillet is also talk about right there, okay. So how to do that for this part? Other things I also explain it right now. Neat surfaces I also talk about to connect with the surfaces right there and then combine them the surfaces, okay.
Yes.
Come to the other ones to talk about the ruled surface, was the ruled surface is true. And then fillet one is I also told they talk about this delete, replace, and delete hole. Okay. And this one is I talk about right here. Okay.
Okay.
Then portion right here. This is my front plane. You can select here. Make some sketches right here. Okay. And
Yeah.
then I select here as a sketch. I just make here. This one is sketch. Center rectangle I use here. You can mention the dimension also here. 160 by 80. Right. After that, it's your sketch. Come to surface module, actual boss space. And then use as a mid plane. I just use it as a mid plane and then select my form. This one is make here. Okay.
Okay.
Come to this portion is my ruled surface. Ruled surface, what's the ruled surface is true. Okay. If I do here as ruled surface, just click on the ruled surface. And then here we have the option of the ruled surface tangent to the surface here. If you click on the tangent to surface here, I just click the tangent to surface. And what the ruled surface is to just increase its size.
Right. Okay.
Well, how many sizes? 10 mm, whatever you want to increase this here, then you can use this. Okay. If you
Okay.
don't want to need here, if you want to click on this portion, then you can click it and then make this in this format also. Any form
No.
you
No.
can click and then make that. Okay, no worry about it. Then
Okay.
you want to do this. Okay, then you can use this any edges and then make them as well also. Okay, this is called a rule surface. Simple one is a rule surface right here. Okay,
Okay.
and then here come to the next one here. First of all is your tangent to the surface where you have the tangent line to the surface one. And next one is your normal to the surface. If you click on the normal to the surface, then what will be happen? This will be happening at right here, and this will be seeing this formation. Okay, here we this
Okay.
process right here. Okay, if you do this type of thing, then inside this way you can take the like that, and then I just use this. If I click on OK, then see that this is the type of object you can create here.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
If I do one thing to go to the again and right click on it and edit this one. I just click on the outside here, then this will be type of object will be created. And if you click on OK, then this type of object will be created, right?
Okay.
If again I do as this is and then edit it, and then in this case we have two things also. Here we have the one thing is there connecting surfaces. Okay, if you click on the connecting surfaces and then uncheck the connecting surfaces, this form is duplicated. These surfaces are not connected with that. And then make them as a normal to the surface. If you click on the them and it will be created as like pane. Okay. But if you want to connect with them, I just check this out. The options is here in the connecting the surfaces, this will be connected with it. So by
Okay.
this way, you can creating your object selection. Inside, outside, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Just you can use it. Okay, if you can select this one also. So this one is created right here. So anything you can create by using yourself. Okay. Right here, here we have the other one is taper to the vector. If you click on the taper and then select this one. Okay.
Okay.
So this one I just selected next one taper to the vector. After I click this one. Then this will be is make here. This is taper to the vector where we have to select that vector plane. Okay, if you
Okay.
make as well as in this direction, then you can make this way also. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
And I just use here to one thing also. I just delete the connecting over. If I use the connecting, then this will be connected, and then I use again is the this direction. If you click on OK, this type of things will be created right here.
Okay.
As a site to again create it. And next one is the perpendicular to the. In this case, we also have the angle. To how many angle you want to show above and then below what you want to put it. You can also adjust your angle. This is a 62-degree angle, and then this will be shown as like that. You can also specify the angle of them as the template. Okay, so
Okay.
this will be fine. Next one is a perpendicular to the vector. Same thing is the is format. So select your edge, and then this will be created as the perpendicular way. Okay. If you click on
Okay.
this one, this will be same as this is like to normal to the surface. Perpendicular to the is like work as same as it. Yeah. If I select this, not this one else, I just delete it else, and then I select this one else. This one is created this type of things. So
Okay.
created this type of objects also. If I just do as well connecting surfaces, I delete this and then click on OK. This type of object will be created. Just like that. Come to the other one. It's Swift. Shift is that if you click on this is not this one, let's delete this one and then click on this one. It's like that, as same as where you have to click on it, then this will be created right there. Shift is just a simple way we can select any address and swipe it, okay? That's as well
Okay.
as a swipe command where you have to connecting with the surface, you can connect with TAM and on want to go here, then make it. This is what you have to do. If you click on this and then select this one swipe options, okay, yeah, you can select this one. Yeah, please select this one, not this. Delete it one, all the one. This is only one thing is selected right there. Okay. The first of all, I select here the edges. This is, this is, this is, and this is. And then again, you can select here any of the edges. Suppose this edge I select here. This one is created right here. Okay, simply one create by using the ruler. This is called the ruled surface. By using the this way you can create multiple things off right here.
Okay.
This one is created. I just delete this one. I don't need here. After that, here, okay, you can already use a surface plate. Surface plate, and you can use for the any portion you can plate here. Okay. So do this one and then do this one. You can not a face here. I just need to be edges. This is already done by using this way and selection of the portion, any portion right here. Select this one, select this one. Select this is, select this. Okay. I just show the plates. I don't need here the pieces. I select here. Plate. Okay. Uh, okay. Surface flatten is used for the plate your surfaces right here. If you use here the surface flatten, this will be plates as well. But this doesn't like to seem to be used as light plate. But we can use it as a fillet option also. Fillet option is just used for the fillet any corners put right here. You can already use this way. Okay. And this fillet option will be already topped as selection. If you click on OK, then this will be created right there.
Okay.
If I come to the edit option and then select this one, and then I just click on it and then I delete this one. I don't need here right now. And then come to the again one the plates. Here we have the other option. This is your variable plate. If you click on the variable plate, here we have the option of the variable. If you click this one have the variables right here. If we
Okay.
have this variable right here, you can click on it and then what's the variable. And then here we have the four types of variable. Double click on it and
Okay.
you can write the distance of them. And then if you click double click on it, and then here you can write the different distance between them. Okay. Here,
Okay.
then I just click on it and just I click camera, and then here I click camera, camera, and then I click. Okay, click here. Okay. Here we have the variables. So different variables we can assign your values. Okay. This is three. You can also increase this points and then click on any points. Like suppose this point I click here and then I write here is 20 mm as 10 mm. This will be created right here. Okay. Any
Okay.
of the points you can click here and then you can apply the distance of this thing. So this way you can create yourself by using any of them. And then if you click on OK, this type of objects is created. I just use the lines option also. For just in this case, okay, this type of object will be created. Right? This is just a simple fillet option.
Okay.
In this case, we have the other one fillet is face fillet. If you click on the face and then other face, and then your face angle is angle to whatever it is. Okay. Okay, this I just delete this one and then next one face is selected here and then this will be made here. Okay. So this is called the face where we have to select two faces and make them as a fillet. Okay. But I don't need as a face fillets. I just so another one is this. Is my full on fillet. Full on fillet is used for where you want to fillet is applied. Okay. And then select next faces, this one face, and select third one face. Okay.
Okay.
I think okay, I just select this face. Let's center face, side face, and this is side face. Okay. Okay, center face between it, then you can make this with the this type of simple one you can create this way. And this will
Oh,
you can same thing you can do as well as on the feature fillet, and then same way you can use the surface fillet also.
okay.
Right there, next one is delete the face. If you want to delete the face, then you can also do as a distribution. But if you click on the delete the face and select any faces and delete it, okay, okay,
Okay.
then this face will be deleted. You can delete any of the face where you like to use do it as well. Okay. This is called a delete the face right here.
Okay.
Next one is come to the other portion is it.
Please.
Next one is replace the face. If you want to do as a replace the face, so delete the face is also do as the way you can delete this and click on delete, and this one will be deleted right here. If I do
Oh,
one thing, I don't want to delete here, I want to delete and then also make as a corner points, then what you do, delete it as a face, and then here we have the other one, delete and patch. If you click on this one and then okay, click this one, this will be patch it and then make them as a corner points.
okay.
By using this way, you can create this type of objects. Right? If I use other one option is delete and fill. If you click on the delete and fill and then make them as a tangent fill and select the face, okay, and then delete it. Just okay. Okay, and then this one is delete and then fill also. But this is not working as well as this one is better working here. Okay. Delete and patch. Right?
Okay.
Right? So you can do as well as these portions also, and then we can make them as well. Right here. Uh,
Okay.
Next one is come to the replace piece. Replace piece is means that you have to delete all to close profile inside one surface to delete the whole inside and the graphic area. Okay, this is just used for the deleting the wall, but this is always I delete this one. Replace face is important. How to replace face is what? I just delete this all the form. I just delete this all the way. Okay, no, I don't need to delete here. I go to the feature, extrude boss space, select this one, and then make them as mid plane, select the one. And this type of object I created right here, then click on OK. Right. Okay, next one I select this one, please, and then go to the sketch and then start my sketch. And then I make as a sketch here. This type of sketch I created here. Next one, I just exit my sketch and then go to the surface module and extrude it. Okay, by using the mid plane and then extrude this much. After this, click on the okay, and then here we use a replace face. If you click on the replace face, okay, and select your piece first. This is your piece, and then select your sheet metal first, and then click on OK. Right here, what you see here, this type of face will be extended and then make them as this value, and then I just hide this one. If you click this, then this will be faces will be made here. Okay,
Okay.
and then you can also hide this one. Also, if you don't need to be this one. This specific object will be created by using this type of object by using the replace face. Okay, you can replace any of the faces by using this. Uh,
Okay.
Then come to the next one is your delete it and delete this one and delete this one also. Okay, next one is my example is exchange surfaces, frame surfaces. Okay, exchange frame surfaces I want to use here because this will be better to make here. Right now I select my top face, make them a sketch first. Right here, I make here. That's tangent. Okay, this one is created tangent. This will be fine. And after that, I want to do one thing. Access my sketch. Go to this one and go to surface. Actually, this position. And then if you want to decrease this 60 and then make them as the mid plane. And this one is created right here. Okay. After this, I use the as the exchange surface. If you exchange surface, click on the exchange surface. If you have to click on the extend surface and then select your surface as where you want to extend it, just click on it and then this will be extended. Okay. So how many distance you want to extend is 15 distance you want to extend and then extend your 15 distance. Anything you can want to extend this or okay. Any powers, any edges, any width right here. Okay. Same surfaces you can use. Okay. So this way you can extend your surfaces right here. Okay.
Okay.
You can select any of the edges. Suppose this edge I selected, they both the edges you can extend it. If this edge I want to select it, then this edges will be extended. Anywhere you can
Mm.
extend the surfaces right there. Which edge you want to select it, all the edges will be extended by using
Oh,
this. Clear? This okay. And then I extend this form. After
okay.
the extension option, you can see here, we have other one option is up to point and up to surfaces option also done. What's the up to
Mhm.
point and up to surfaces too? If you know about the points and then surfaces right there, then you can use it for this purposes also. Okay, so how to do that? For this parts, we need here is a plane. I just click on the plane and make them as a plane as distance of tip of shape. Okay, that's Oh, no. 80, okay, that's one. I just click on it and then I want to apply here. I select this one, go to the sketch and then notice one dimension right here. It just uses the plane. And then what I do, I just use to be click on and apply as a dot. Any of the dot right here. Suppose here, I just apply here, not two lines. Click on exist my sketch and then here we have the point right here and go to the surface and extend surface to point. Okay. First of all, select the surface. This is surface and then select the points where you have the points. If you select this point, then this point you can select here the surface will be extended. Okay. Up to this point. Okay.
Okay.
So you can select any points right here, make them as well, and then make this type of object. If you click on OK, then this way is created right here.
Okay. So the side also extend, right? The only
Yes.
the all side extend, right?
Yeah, all sides will be extended simultaneously.
Okay.
I just delete this point because I don't need these points.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is here. If you want to extend it, go to the extend surface. And then here next one to up to surface. This is my surface, right?
Okay.
And if you click on the surface and then select this one, not surface, I just use here is I just make them as a surface one. So how to make them? And just select it, go to sketch, and then select plane, go to sketch, and then make them as a corner. This is your sketch, make them a plane, surface module, go to the extend surfaces, right here. This is your surface right here. Okay, well, I don't make here as a, like there's the surface also. One thing I do here, so I make as a planar surface. So click on the planar surface and click on it and make them as a planar surface. This is my surface right here. Okay. And then I want to extend this on the surfaces. So how to do that? Extend, go to the up to surface, select the surface, and select the object. Right? Select this,
Okay.
please, and select this, please. And then if you click on OK, okay, this one is not making. What's happening? I just delete this is name surface. Click on. Alright, something was this. That is also. Give me 1 second. Just do this one. Okay. Ah, right now I just use here the extend surface up to surfaces. Surface is this. And here we select this one. Yeah, select this is. Anything you can select here is on surface. Here we can select here the edge, then my edge will be extended to these surfaces right here. Okay. So
Okay.
by using this way, you can extend your surface by using this one. Okay. So right here,
Okay.
you can just click on OK, and then this will be created at this type of objects. Where we have the other one, and then we connect them. And then if you want to make here, you can also add this there. Okay.
Okay.
The next one is called as the trim surfaces. What the trim surfaces do, if I do as a two surfaces we have, then we can trim it between that. Then how to do that? If you click on the trim surfaces, okay,
Okay.
and then select the
Surface
section and
single.
then surface trim to tool, and then trim the surface. I select this one. Delete this one. I select this one surface and then I select this one surface, right? Where you want to select it. Remove the selection if you click on it and then click on OK. The new selection will be removed, right? Okay, magnetic step of object. If I want to do here, I just use is to be keep the selections. Then click on the keep the selection and click on it. Then next phase portion will be deleted. Okay, two things are there.
Okay.
Remove the surface where you select the surface one, and then keep the surface when we keep the surface. The next person points, next things will be removed. You can
Okay.
select any of them. This is common trim surfaces. By using the trim surfaces, you can trim it, and then if you select the surfaces right here, you can select them as well. And then if you untrim it, then you can click the untrim it, and then mark as a percentage. It's about 10%.
Okay.
So you can untrim it also. If you click on this portion, then you can this will portion will be untrimmed. Okay. So untrim the
Okay.
surface and then trim the surface right here. Need the
Okay.
surface I also explained is as you
Joining.
they do to be connect the and then make them a single object right. Merge I did
Okay.
click on it and then this will be merged. So this is used for the surface right here and then click on the merge and then this will be merged. Okay. So this is used for the merging the surface. Last one is not least is the thickness. Thicken. How to thicken is called as the thicken. Thicken create a solid feature by thinking one or more adjacent surfaces. If you want to thicken multiple adjacent surfaces, meet the surface together before you thicken the surface. If you want to thick the surfaces, you can thick your surface by using it. If I click here and then click this one, I just click on this portion and then thicken. I just you already talk about the thicken object right here. If you click on it, then this will be make it a thicken object. Okay, this is I
Okay.
already do it. Next one is thicken cut. What's the thicken cut and what's the cut with surfaces means? This I use it here. I just delete this one because in this case I don't show you. I just list all the objects right here. I just delete the piece also and delete this the surface also and sketch also. And select top plane, go to sketch, make them a sketch, and select this one, and then just select center points rectangle, and then I make them as well. Click on OK, get this is sketch, go to feature, extrude boss space, adjust boss spaces, and then using the mid plane here, 60
Okay.
mm to the 40 I use here. Okay, that's
Okay.
good.
Do we didn't mention the dimension?
What?
XY, the distance we did.
Yeah, mid plane I use it as the feature one. Okay, because I
Okay.
want to create a thick and cut. So thick and cut what's the do? Much first of all we have the surfaces. First of all we have the solid face. In this case we have the solid face, and after that I want to surface also. So first one I select the front face right here. Top face I make as an extruder, and then front face I make as other one
Okay.
to go to the action. And then I select this one to I just file and I use it, and then I make that as this type of objects. Right. And this click. And then make them as a surface, exist my sketch, go to feature, and extrude your this, and then in the mid plane you want to do this. Okay, click on OK. Why this will be able to right there. Right now I'm just doing mid plane I do here. And I select 60 mm.
Okay.
Click on OK, go to this one, and then I select open this one. Let's see this. Okay, this one is created right here. Okay, again I just open this and then this color exists and then I just increase this one also. Check this. Okay, that's really fine. Click on OK. Right now,
Okay.
what we do that inside this, then we can use it here. So what I do, go to the thicken cut, click on the thicken cut, and then here I just select my piece object, and then where we have the thicken cut surface section, extrude is this, and this is my thicken cut and tandem I use here. Not this piece, I just use this piece. Okay, do this one, not this one. Okay. I just use the thicken one, this portion, and then this is tan one, thicken one between, and whatever it is, if you click this one, this type of objects will be created, and then if you click on the thicken pen, this one is option, all bodies and selected bodies. If you click on all bodies, then what will be get saved? All the both the bodies will be happen, and then be between of the tan one in between that, this will be cut it. Okay, this is called a
Okay.
thicken pen. If
Okay.
one thing, I just delete this one and go to again to the my thicken cut. Okay. Now right
Okay.
click. If you want to thicken cut is do in this direction and in this direction, any direction you want to do here. If you click on OK, I just select the surface right here. If you click on OK, and then if you want to select the bodies, if you click the bodies and then which bodies you want to select, the body one, the body two. Any of body you can select here, then go which bodies will be appear and then other bodies will be gone. And click on OK. And right now, then you can have to this body only after the other bodies will be deleted on behalf of this surface. Okay, this is called a thicken surface cut. Okay. Okay, next one is have to last point is there is my cut with surfaces. What's the cut with surfaces do? You have the cut with surfaces option out here. Just select your surfaces and then click on OK. This will be cut it. Any next portion and this and this type of object you will be making. Okay, this is used by
Okay.
using the cut with the surfaces. Not by the thicken cut. This will be do as by the surface cut. Just
Okay.
okay. By the using the surface feature, you can do this type of things as and make them as where your object is better, where better visualization. Just clear to you how to use the surface features.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, good. Use them and then make them. Any doubt form regarding this? After this?
No, no, no. Right.
No. Okay, that's good.